Castrol Magnatec. Clings, locks, and protects. Clings. Castrol Magnatec clings like a magnet to the vulnerable metal surfaces and moving parts in your engine during warm-up. Locks. The molecules in Castrol Magnatec lock together to form a layer of protection. Protects. And in tests, our oil is proven to provide your engines with 50% better protection from warm-up wear and restart wear. If you want better protection from engine wear, change for the better. Change to Castrol Magnatec. Non-stop protection from every start.